Okay, I don't know if you're ready for this outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Check the link in my bio if you want to look as cute as this little guy. Just kidding, I don't have a link. Ouch, poopy? Do you need to go poopy? Okay. Anyway. Look at this. Cute little reindeer. This is Luigi. Even in this outfit, he's more like chill. Like, look at this little reindeer. We need another reindeer costume.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a reindeer, and you're so cute. Hey, here, I'll give you these. Nope. Oh, they are chubby. Okay. Visiting here all the way from the North Pole today. We have Santa and Rudolph. Look at that booty. I don't think the real Rudolph has a booty that fluffy. Look at these guys.